Alright, this is going to be a quick video of my Homart window fan here. I have it in my window here for the first time, well, technically on video. As I've mentioned in a recent post, I'm still doing some work with it. I'm still working on getting it going right now. There's still a few more things that I need to do to it. But I figure that I would treat you all to a quick video of it running in the window. And I'm going to be very brief about this because, like I said, this is not, this is still not, I mean, it's working, but I'll explain to you why I haven't been able to use it just yet. But I'm just going to be very quick and nimble about this. This thing looks really, really cool in the window. I'll move to the side here and I'll have a side view. Let's get some light in here. One second thought, I've got it unplugged. Let's have a look at the other side there. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it up, turn it on now. Let's fire it up. Look at that draft. That thing is really pulling some air. Maybe you can hear that wind stream on the from the camera. It's just as quiet on the inside. Let's turn it down to low. Okay, there's a little breeze coming in from the window here. Not as much. Probably about the same thing as like a regular box fan or something, but not a whole lot. And as I've mentioned, the reason why I'm having to run this very briefly is because the pulley on this is not the original. I've had some sources inform me about this, so that's what I'm working on right now. That's why it's not running at its proper variation. I think I'll start that up one more time. That is really nice. Alright, pretty cool. Thing really lives up to its purpose. Starting to think if I'll ever need an air conditioner in this room ever again. Well, there you go, everybody. Thought I'd treat you all to a video of my Homart Sears cooler running in the window. I'll be getting the third video of the restoration on this very soon. I hope that you enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you later. Good night.